All right, so you live in Carson City, capital of Nevada, which has approximate latitude, longitude coordinates of 39 degrees north, 120 degrees west. So just to get an idea, if we were talking about a coordinate grid, I'll just draw a couple of axes real quick here. If we said this is west, this is south, this is east, and this is north, like the compass rose, right? The way the compass directions go. And we were in 39 north, that means above uh, this line right here, and 120 degrees west over on this side, that means we're somewhere in this quadrant, okay? And your friend lives in Ottawa, Iowa with coordinates of 41 degrees north, also north, 84 west, also west. So we're both in the same set of quadrants, so they're going to have the same sign for them. So we can just then take their numbers without having to worry about, are they on opposite sides, right? And it's like 39 to get to here and then another 41 to get to here. No, they're just simply at 39 and 41 for that, and at 120 and 84 for that. Okay, so I'm going to get all that out of here, but oops. Let me see, just a second while I mess with this. Okay. Yep. Now, we then kind of can treat these like coordinates. Okay, 39 comma 120, 39 comma 120 for one set of coordinates, and 41 comma 84 for the other set of coordinates. Okay, so you want to meet at the halfway point? Well, remember, to find the midpoint or the halfway point, what we're going to do is we're going to do x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And what does that look like? Well, we've got, that looks like x1 plus x2 substituted in, comma, y1 plus y2 over 2 substituted in. And let's take them. Let's say if this was x1, then 39 right there. And let's say that this was y1, then 120 right there. Okay. If this was x2, that's 41 here. And if this one was y2, it's 84 right here. So when we then average these, we're going to say m of 39 plus 41 is 80 over 2, comma, 121 plus 84 is 205. And we're dividing by 2. So then you get as the midpoint, the midway, you would need to meet at 40 degrees. Remember, they're both north latitude, so 40 degrees north, comma, 102.5 degrees west longitude. That's what you should get as an answer in your answer page. I'll let you check it yourself.